sila na kaka wewe akufa kufa koti mabele. Hapo je moi je suis parce que
nous manifestons ici, nous remontons la morale de notre armée, nous remontons la morale de nos combattants au front. Et puis nous fragilisons l'ennemi qui est en train de vouloir occuper illégalement notre territoire et qui exploite illicitement nos minerais et que des minerais dont le peuple ne bénéficie en rien.
This morning, the UK Foreign Secretary spoke with President Kagame and called for urgent de-escalation, outlining the need for Rwanda and DRC to urgently return to the negotiating table. Now more than ever, it is critical that MONUSCO is able to deliver its mandate. M23 attacks on peacekeepers, with support from the RDF, must stop immediately.
Rwanda regrets the deteriorating security situation in the eastern region of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The current crisis could have been averted had the DRC government demonstrated a genuine commitment to peace. The DRC has all the necessary tools to achieve a lasting resolution to the ongoing conflict.